This is Saundarya Patil, a fourth-year law student, currently interning at ubAdvocate under Advocate Jeevan Prakash, AOR Supreme Court. You may have come across various incidences, news, or cases where a person's private pictures were leaked and the person did not know how to deal with it and wasn't aware about his or her legal rights. So today I would like to discuss certain legal remedies available to an individual to deal with the situation and also benefit from it. So before proceeding to legal remedies, I would like to express or state certain basic facts or basic things one must do. Firstly, you should not blame the victim. It is not the victim's fault. Secondly, talk to someone who can help you or someone you trust and who can help you get out of the situation. Thirdly, do not delete the evidences. If you come across a site where your pictures are posted, you just take the screenshot or save the website link so that in future you can use it as an evidence. And fourthly, contact the websites. That is, you can report this site or you can directly send them a mail, or you can even contact Google to remove the images and information in the search results. And if there is no option available for report, you have certain legal remedies that you can use. So proceeding to the legal remedies, firstly, file a complaint. File a complaint under cyber cell in your area or file an FIR in the local police station. You can also approach National Commission for Women, as they have this power to set up inquiry committees, to conduct spot inquiries, to collect evidences, to interrogate and also summon the accused. And as I mentioned before, you can report on social media sites. As today, for example, if your photo gets leaked on Instagram, you can report the account and you can even ask your friends to report the account, and it is their obligation to take action within 36 hours and stop it from spreading as per IT rules 2011. Now proceeding to legal remedies. So there are certain legal remedies available under the Indian Penal Code and ITAC. So proceeding with IPC, section 354C of the IPC states voyeurism, which means criminalizes capturing and sharing of images of a woman in a private space. Then there is section 500, which states punishment for defamation, and the punishment is simple imprisonment for 2 years with fine or both. Then there is section 504, which states intentional insults provoking breach of trust, and the punishment is 2 years plus fine or both. And then there is section 506, which states punishment for criminal intimidation, and the punishment is up to 2 years of imprisonment. Now proceeding to ITAC, there is section 67, which mentions punishment for publishing or transmitting or sharing obscene material in an electronic form. The punishment is 3 years plus fine up to 5 lakh. And in case of serious conviction or serious crime, it is 5 years plus 10 lakh as fine. Then there is section 67A, which states punishment for publishing or sharing material containing sexually explicit act in an electronic form. And the punishment is 5 years plus 10 lakh as fine, and in serious cases it is 7 years plus 10 lakh as fine. Then there is section 67B, which deals with punishment which depicts children in an sexually explicit act in an electronic form. It forbids publication, distribution, facilitation and consumption in any manner related to child pornography. Then there is section 66E, which deals with punishment for violation of privacy. It forbids capturing, transmitting, publishing the image of a person without that person's consent, as when the picture was captured, the person was not aware that he is being captured. So these are certain rights under IPC and ITAC. Then you may have come across a fake account which is using your name or your picture and has been interacting with others by personifying you, but it is not you, it is not your account. This is known as cheating by personation, and this is a punishable offense, and whoever does this is liable under section 66D of ITAC, which mentions cheating by personation using any communication device or a computer resource, and is punishable for 3 years with fine. Then there is also section 66C of IT Act, which deals with fraudulent or dishonest use of electronic signature, password or any unique identification, and it is punishable with imprisonment extendable to 3 years along with fine. And then there is section 416 of IPC, which defines what cheating by personation means. It means pretending, substituting or representing that he or any person is a person other than what the person really is. So there are these certain rights which you can use and you can help someone to get out. So don't be afraid when you come across certain situations like this. Do not be afraid. Get up, help someone, file a complaint, and do not get scared because there are legal remedies available. Thank you.